Today I'm going to show you how to take this purse, which I bought at a thrift store, and upcycle it into a beautiful lighted decor. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is take our Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm going to cut a piece here, fold it in half, and just lay it into my Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is I've got these assorted scraps of ribbon that, and now this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take which is the right and which is the wrong. I'm going to take the right side of the ribbon and put that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to fold it back over, take the right side of the ribbon and put that into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to come to the center and scrunch that in. Then I'm going to do exactly the same thing with this ribbon. So again, the right side is going to go down, and we're going to just fold this over, bring this back around. Again, the right side of the ribbon is going to go down, and then we're going to scrunch this down into the Bowdabra. And then I have this tail that I'm just going to put into my Bowdabra here. And I have another white tail because we have a lot of white that we're using in this arrangement. And then I have another little tail. Make sure I have the right side facing up. And then I have this piece. I love this ribbon because it's kind of like stretchy. And I'm just going to scrunch that down into my bow. So this will be the bow for our decor. And then I'm going to take my pick, lay this down into my Bowdabra. Then I'll take my Bowdabra bow wire, and the reason I folded it in half is now I have a slipknot to pull it through. So we're just going to pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot, and I'm going to double knot it. Then I'm going to take my floral pick, and I'm just going to take the Bowdabra bow wire and just wrap it around so that it stays on here. And then the pick comes with its own wire, so I'm going to even further wrap it around. So I make sure that everything stays on the pick because we're going to use this pick to stick in the front of our arrangement. So I'm just going to shape my bow, bring my things down here, puff out my loops. So it's super simple, and you can see that's just pretty by itself. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach over here and I'm going to grab this purse. I mean, really, it's kind of a yucky looking purse, but it's beautiful on the outside. So first thing that I'm going to do is take my mesh, and I'm just going to push my mesh into the purse. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra scrunchy ribbon, and I'm going to push this down into the purse. Now the reason that I'm doing that is I have these weights because the purse isn't going to stand up on its own. So I'm going to put the two weights down in between here, and that's going to give a perfect stand for my floral foam. So then I'm just going to stick my floral foam down into the purse. So next I have this beautiful lighted branch, and I'm going to just push this down into my floral foam, and you can see it just lights up. And I'm going to take the light and I'm going to just tuck that in the back so that I can turn easily. You can see I can easily just reach in and turn it on and off. And then what I have here is we've got this pretty branch, and I'm going to just tuck that down in there, and I'm going to just tuck this around here, and then take another branch and put that into my floral foam here, and take one more and just push this on the other side. Oops, we're getting caught here, so let's uncatch this. Probably would look pretty in there, but I think, oops, one more, there we go. So we'll unattach that and push that in. And then I have this real pretty pick that can go kind of, I'm going to put this back here. And then I'm going to take my, this ribbon here, which I'm just going to wrap around the outside and just tie it so it's just kind of like a tail. But this way it sort of covers up the zipper and holds everything in place. And we'll just make a little square knot there. And then I'm going to take my bow, which is sort of the coup de gras of the whole project, and just scrunch that down in there. And now you have this like super, oh, I have to light it up. You have this beautiful lighted piece that it's great decor, and what a fun way to upcycle an old purse. And now you have this beautiful lighted decor, which would be great for any special occasion or just to have around your home. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out our tutorials at bowdabra.com.